Hey guys, kind of just wanted to make a quick unboxing video. Kind of already unboxed some stuff, got a little too excited. So as you see here, I got the Rottweiler intake kit for the 2023 Husky 701. Their packaging and attention to detail is awesome. I already installed some of their parts on my bike as you've seen in other videos. They got the instructions, everything's separately bagged, tagged. It's also really thick plastic. It's not no cheap stuff. It's gonna rip in the package and you open the box and parts are everywhere. And here, let's see. Got some Rottweiler stickers. Right here I got the SAS canister removal kit. Comes with all kinds of ties, everything you'll need to properly install. Also, all their instructions is really cool and all their products. They got a little QR code you scan, takes you to instructions, videos, how to properly install, which is awesome. Got the Power Commander custom app also from Rottweiler Performance. Cool thing purchasing from them, they already pre-program it, map it, and everything. They got a sheet here. Tells you the tech that programmed it. They sign off on it, verify everything's correct. They list all the stuff done to your bike, so you know they didn't forget anything. And they also include the fuel dongles. The Power Commander doesn't include no more. So that's awesome, so you can actually properly tune it for down low. So it's not running so lean for emissions and all that. Let's see here. So I decided to get the Tecmo header with the arrow slip on. It seems like that's what most people were doing. Won't have any issues doing oil changes, removing the oil filter with this header. So this is just the arrow link pipe for the slip on to the header. Now let's open this guy up. Check this out. I'm really excited to put this on. This bike stock, as some of you may know, is so quiet. When you're on the freeway or riding at high speeds, all I hear is wind noise. I can't even hear when to shift the bike. It's so quiet, and I cannot stand it. Oh, she's beautiful. Oh, this is amazing. I decided to go, as you can see, I got the black canister with the carbon fiber tip. Looking forward to putting this on. And let's see, use some new brackets, bolts, and washers. And there's going to be much more videos on the way with all this, guys. I'm excited, so I just want to rip everything open and share with you all. Now, before I bought my bike, there's a lot of videos I was looking for the 23s. I had so many questions and it was hard to do research, so if any of you got questions or any videos you want to see, feel free to send me a message and I'll be sure to respond. I also plan on making some riding videos. I got the Insta360 camera. I also want to invest in the GoPro just because it's easier to wear on the motorcycle. The 360, it's kind of weird mounting. Some things it's just easier. I prefer to use a GoPro with. I've been using my girlfriend's. I need to go get my own. So here just got some brackets, mounting pieces. The rear section where this will go to the link pipe and the slip on. And here we go, the header portion. It really looks like an FMF power bomb. I really like that. I opted to go with the stainless steel. I didn't want to get the full titanium. It was much cheaper, and let's Stainless steel is good too. I'm happy with it. Oh, this is nice. So yeah, that's pretty much all in this box. Also, Tecmo. They also include QR codes to download instructions, manuals. Looking forward to installing this and hearing the before after. We'll make some before and after videos with exhaust. But yeah, that's everything I got in this haul. Stay tuned for some before and after videos with all this installed. And I'll probably do a riding review too, the stock and aftermarket tune and map after all the goodies are installed. And thanks for tuning in.